Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to take your paint to the next level with Masterson's Mystery Glaze. Now, what is Mystery Glaze? Mystery Glaze is an advanced gloss enhancer that takes your paint to the next level of perfection by removing light scratches and oxidation and filling in heavier scratches using an advanced polymer acrylic technology. Now, we developed Masterson's Mystery Glaze from the ground up to truly take your paint to the next level of perfection. Now, this goes on the paint, creates an ultra slick layer, and then you top it with your favorite wax or sealant, and that way your black paint, your blue paint, your red, silver, white, all colors looks amazing at all times of the year. Now you can pick up Masterson's Mystery Glaze right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now let's show you how to apply Mystery Glaze and show you how your paint can be taken to the next level. Now this amazing product works on old cars and new cars. So if you have an older car that has dull paint and isn't looking as shiny as it should, or if you have a brand new car that you want to make look that showroom perfect shine ready for the car show, this is going to be the product for you. Now all you got to do is first wash your vehicle. Now you can give your car a foam cannon wash just like we did this one, or you can easily take our Masterson's waterless wash and shine and wash your vehicle waterlessly for an ultra slick feel to get your car looking great right before you apply the Mystery Glaze. Now whether you use a foam cannon, a foam gun, or a hand wash, or a waterless wash and shine, just make sure that your car is clean before you apply the Masterson's Mystery Glaze. Now for your tool, you can either do this by hand or machine. We're going to show you how to apply this by hand today using a premium microfiber applicator pad. Now if you have a dual action buffer or a rotary polisher, you can easily apply this as well. Just make sure you apply it on a nice slow setting and move up to a higher speed to buff to a beautiful shine. Now let's take up our Mystery Glaze and shake it up. Now once we have our Mystery Glaze shaken up, I'm going to put 3 nice lines right on our applicator pad. Now you just need a little bit to get going as we start off to make this paint truly look amazing. Now we're showing you how to do this on a black car because the results on a black car are fantastic, because when you get black looking right, it looks like a perfect mirror. So we're going to turn this car into a genuine mirror. So let's take our applicator pad and we're going to start from the front and then work our way over. And what you like to do is work the glaze into the paint. And we're spreading it out, but we're also working in with light to medium pressure, and that way we're pushing it into swirls and scratches and covering them up. Now you can remove swirls and scratches with a rotary buffer, but there's a chances that you might hurt the paint and you can actually take off too much paint. But if you're at home and you're a DIY car enthusiast, this is an easy way to get your paint looking great, and then it's going to look great for months because the acrylic polymer technology is going to sink deep into the paint and make it look truly amazing. Now I'm just working it into the paint in small sections. We're going to do this whole door. So you want to do a door or a panel at a time and then work across the vehicle. Now as you can see, I went from going up and down to left to right, and that way I'm pushing the acrylic polymers deep into the paintwork, into the pores, and I'm also removing any light stains and oxidation that's on the paint. Now oxidation can be removed by the friction of the pad and by the product itself. And when you start to work it in, you're going to see it start to go shiny. Now once it starts to go shiny and you start to see it not moving around as much, that's when it's ready to be buffed off. Now I'm going to grab one of my favorite microfiber towels. This is a 16 by 24 silk lined World Rally microfiber. You can also pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. I'm going to fold it and then I'm just going to give it a light buff. Look at that, how easy it removed. That's amazing. Wow, so easy. Now you just want to go ahead and remove it in light circle motion. There we go. Now let's feel this. Wow, that's amazing. That's something that truly is amazing, that super slick finish. And that's what you want, because that super slick finish that you're feeling is the acrylic polymer technology that's creating a coating over the surface. And that coating is going to enhance shine, it's going to enhance gloss, and it's going to bring out the true reflection of your paint. Now whether you have a dark car or a light colored car, a new car or an old car, this technique is going to work on all vehicles. Plus it's going to work on motorcycles, trucks, show cars, custom vehicles, custom paint jobs, metallic paint, but it truly does really shine on black paint. That's truly amazing. Let's work over to the other side of this door. So I'm going to put my microfiber towel down. I'm going to go ahead and once again grab my applicator pad, and I'm going to put a few lines right on the app pad. And this truly does smell amazing. It has an amazing berry scent. It's truly just simply fantastic. So once again, I spread it on the paint. Make sure you use enough product to generously cover the area and work it in. There we go. Now once we have it spread on the surface, I'm just going to gently work it in a little bit more. If you have heavier swirls or scratches, or if your car has heavier oxidation, make sure you work the product in a little bit more. Work it from side to side. Push that pressure down because that's going to pull off the oxidation, and the super fine micro abrasives that are inside the mystery glaze, they feel super smooth, but they're actually designed to remove oxidation gently and efficiently without causing more scratches. So you're going to put this product on, it's going to remove the oxidation and the scratches, and you're going to be left with a perfectly smooth finish. There we go. As you can see, it's already starting to bring the shine out. That's when I know it's ready to be removed. So I'm going to grab my microfiber towel again, flip it to a clean side, and then I'm just going to give it a light buff. There we go. Look at that. I really love detailing black cars. I've been detailing cars my entire life. And out of all the colors, black simply does look fantastic. When you get a black car looking great, it really does win shows. It brings the eyes right to the paint, and it looks like a mirror. That's the one thing I love about black paint jobs. So we developed Masterson's Mystery Glaze to truly help you take your black paint to the next level. Now this paint feels super slick, it has an amazing gloss, and it's ready for a coat of our Masterson's original Carnauba Wax or our Masterson Shield paint sealant and protectant. Now after you put on the Masterson's Mystery Glaze, you always want to make sure you top it with a Masterson's Wax or a Masterson's paint sealant to make sure that your car stays protected all year round. Now thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Now you know exactly how to take your paint to the next level. So remember, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, pick up the Mystery Glaze, pick up some original Carnauba Wax and the microfiber towels to get your car looking great. Go out on a beautiful afternoon just like this and get your vehicle looking showroom ready. Now thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we got right here on our channel. Now I'm gonna go finish the rest of this car because this hot black Mercedes is gonna get looking good. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.